So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now here search for Oracle SQL Developer. Press enter. Now click on this link. Now here scroll down and click on download SQL Developer. Now here scroll down and click on this download button, and this will start downloading SQL Developer. Wait for the setup to get downloaded. And now the file is downloaded. Let's open it. For this, click on this file icon. Now here let's extract it. For this, right click on it. Now here click on extract all. Click on extract. And this is the folder. Click on it and copy it. Now head over to C drive. Now paste it here. And now the folder is copied here. Let's open it. In this folder, scroll down. And here you will see this file, SQL Developer. And its type is application. Right click on it. Now here click on show more options. Now here select send to, and here select desktop create shortcut. Now close this window, close this again, and close this one also. And now the shortcut is created. Now you can run it to use Oracle SQL Developer. So I hope you find this video useful. So this way you can install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.